How to create a landing page in StanStore. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create a landing page in StanStore. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is sign up for a StanStore account if you haven't already. Over here, once you've signed up, head over to your store. After that, click on landing pages. Over here, click on Add Landing Page and choose the type of landing page you want to create, such as a digital product or recurring membership. For this example, select Digital Product. Then, customize your landing page by uploading a header, writing a description about the product, adding text, and setting a call to action button. Over here, you can also set the price and specify the information required from customers, like their name and email. After that, upload your digital product and click Publish to make your landing page live. So that's how you can create a landing page in StanStore. That's all for this video.